Use a tool to pry off the door handle panel and unscrew the fixing screws inside. Use a tool to pry off the door armrest panel and unscrew the fixing screws inside. Use a tool to pry off the door window control button panel and unplug the connecting cable inside. Unscrew the fixing screws inside. Use a tool to pry off the door panel. Note: there may be other cables to unplug during the removal process. Unscrew the fixing screws of the original car speaker. Unplug the original car speaker connecting cable and remove the original car speaker. Install the matching speaker base. Note: two types of power cables are provided here. The one on the left is for older Toyota models, and the one on the right is for newer Toyota models. You can determine which cable to use based on the original car's cable interface. Connect the power cable to the original car speaker cable and also connect it to the door speaker. Use electrical tape to make it more secure. 8th step. Finally, tighten the fixing screws to secure it. Rear door speaker installation. Use a tool to pry off the tailgate trim panel and unscrew the fixing screws inside. Use a tool to pry off the entire tailgate panel. Use a screwdriver to remove the original car speaker. Install the supplied speaker base and connect the speaker power cable. Connect the speaker power cable to the speaker. Finally, tighten the screws to secure it. The speaker on the other side is installed in the same general manner.